If you use n8n Cloud, you're not really paying for n8n itself. You're mainly paying for someone else to host and manage it for you. That's convenient, but once your workflows start running more often, the monthly execution limits can get expensive very quickly. At the time I'm recording this, n8n Cloud starts at around €20 a month for 2,500 workflow executions. The next plan costs much more. But n8n also has a free self-hosted community edition. So instead of paying more as your automations grow, you can run n8n on your own VPS for a fixed hosting cost. Today, I'll show you how to set it up on Bluehost step by step, and then I'll import a real AI automation so you can see what you can actually build. But think of n8n like an app and the server like the computer running that app. With n8n Cloud, they provide the computer and manage everything for you. When you self-host, you provide the computer, in this case a VPS, and run the community edition yourself. The interface, workflows, and nodes are almost the same. The main difference is that everything runs on your own server, and Bluehost doesn't charge you based on how many times your workflow executes. Of course, your server still has CPU, RAM, and storage limits. So unlimited does not mean infinite power. It simply means there is no separate per execution hosting bill. Open the Bluehost link in the description. You'll land on the n8n hosting page. Choose a VPS plan based on the workflows you want to run. For basic automations, you probably don't need the biggest option. But if you plan to run multiple AI agents, databases, or other apps, check the RAM and CPU carefully. Also check the billing period and renewal price because hosting offers can change. After choosing a plan, create your Bluehost account and complete the checkout. Once your server is ready, open the Bluehost dashboard. Go to Hosting, find the VPS, and click Manage. Select Reimage, open Applications, and choose n8n. Bluehost will ask you to confirm the reimage. This removes anything already installed on that VPS, so only continue on a new server or after backing up anything important. Type the confirmation word, click Proceed, and Bluehost will start installing n8n. This may take a few minutes, so you can get coffee or realistically scroll through X until it finishes. Once the deployment is complete, return to the dashboard and open n8n. You'll see the familiar n8n setup screen. Create your admin account using a secure email and a strong password. n8n may ask a few questions about how you plan to use it. Answer those and you'll arrive at your workflow dashboard. And that's it. You now have your own n8n instance running online, not on your laptop, not inside a temporary local Docker container, on a server that can keep running even when your computer is switched off. If you're new to n8n, think of it like digital Lego. Every node performs one job. One reads Gmail, one talks to OpenAI or Gemini, one saves data in Notion, one sends a Telegram message. Connect those nodes and you can automate an entire process without manually moving information between 10 different apps. You can start from an empty canvas, but you don't have to. n8n also has a large community template library covering content, sales, support, research, lead generation, and AI agents. Import a template, connect your credentials, and customize it instead of starting from zero. Let me show you something closer to what I would actually use for Techie Sapien. This workflow is an AI trend scout. Every morning, a schedule trigger wakes it up. It checks selected AI blogs, hacker news, and GitHub releases. It collects the newest stories, removes duplicates, and sends the clean information to an AI model. The model organizes the most useful developments, explains why they matter, and suggests video ideas, titles, hooks, and thumbnail text. Then a second model reviews the report and highlights claims that may need manual verification. Finally, everything is saved in Notion, and I receive a Telegram message saying the report is ready. So instead of waking up, opening 15 tabs, and trying to understand what happened overnight, I start with an organized research brief. The AI does not publish anything automatically. It prepares the work, and I make the final decision. Because n8n is running on the VPS, the workflow can run on schedule even if my laptop is completely switched off. That is the difference between testing an automation and actually putting it to work. To be fair, n8n Cloud is still the easier option. You don't need to think about server updates, backups, or security. You create an account and start building. Self-hosting gives you more control and a fixed server cost, but it also gives you more responsibility. You need strong passwords, updates, backups, and basic monitoring. Your AI API costs are also separate. Hosting n8n does not give you unlimited OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic usage. So my recommendation is simple. If you only want to experiment and do not want to manage anything, n8n Cloud is convenient. But if you are building real automations, running them frequently, or want more control over your environment, self-hosting can make much more sense. So that is how you can deploy your own n8n instance on Bluehost and have it running online in just a few steps. To check the latest Bluehost n8n plans and pricing, use my link in the description. Review the current resources, billing period, and renewal price before choosing a plan. And if you want a complete tutorial on the Techie Sapien AI Trend Scout, where we build every node from scratch, tell me in the comments. Subscribe to Techie Sapien for more practical videos about AI agents, automation, Claude Code, codecs, and app development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.